Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Make sure your phone and WhatsApp are updated and that notifications are allowed. Next, open Settings, tap Apps, choose WhatsApp, and verify permissions for calls, microphone, and camera, because missing permissions stop the incoming call UI from launching. Also, check Do Not Disturb and Battery Saver. They can suppress the full-screen incoming call. Once done, restart WhatsApp. That quick relaunch often restores the call overlay immediately. Now you move to deeper troubleshooting. Clear WhatsApp cache or force stop it, then reopen. This removes corrupted temporary states. If calls still don't show, enable display over other apps or overlay permissions. WhatsApp needs that to present full-screen call UI. Make sure background data is allowed, and toggle airplane mode for 10 seconds to reset network sockets. This refreshes push notifications and call signaling. If you use custom ROMs or aggressive task killers, whitelist WhatsApp to keep it active in background. Finish by backing up chats and reinstalling WhatsApp if prior steps fail. Reinstall fixes deep app corruption. After reinstall, restore your backup and test calling with a known contact. Also check carrier or Wi-Fi settings. Some networks block VoIP or specific ports. Contact your provider if necessary. One key troubleshooting tip: if incoming calls still don't appear, try WhatsApp on another phone with your account. If it works there, the issue is device-specific, and you should
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.